Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate that. If this is your first time visiting my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, and then click on the bell to make sure you get all of my wonderful, wonderful videos that I put out. You don't want to miss my good goodies. I do thank you for stopping by today, and I just wanted to share with you today what led me to get involved with network marketing, or MLM as some call it. That road is a long road. I got started really back in the mid 70s, I guess it was. I was a young whippersnapper back then, and I just got my first apartment where I was living by myself, and I had a new car note. I was working a job that I liked, but it wasn't paying me. I think it was paying like a couple of dollars an hour. It wasn't a whole lot. I mean, literally a couple of dollars an hour. So I was looking in the classified um, section of the newspaper. I know a lot of you don't know what a newspaper is, but that was a little paper we got. I'm just kidding. I was looking in the classified, and I saw this thing about work from home, make money. So I thought that'd be a good part-time job. And this guy came over to my apartment, and he started talking about this really hard to believe opportunity. And it was so hard to believe, I kicked him out of my apartment. I mean, I kicked him out of my apartment. I said, "This is BS. You're trying to scam me. You want to get my money, and then you're gonna run off with it." I kicked him out. And the business he was talking about was a company called Amway, all right, which of course was the granddaddy of network marketing. Well, I kept reading the classifieds. I kept seeing Amway ads, and they were secretive about it. You didn't know, and then finally, I found this couple. Name was Dennis and Pat. uh, that was in the 70s. We're still friends today, actually, and they convinced me to get started with Amway. I finally believed it was the real deal. And I did get involved, and I did well with it, and I moved on from there. I got involved with other network marketing companies, one called Life Extensions International, which was a health and nutrition company, and I did real well with that too. I was reached one of the top levels. Okay, that was way back in the 90s by then. Then I got involved online, and that was side hustle online, and I was making a little money, but that's all I wanted to make. But then in 2015, I discovered there's really some good money to be made online. I got started with affiliate marketing, not network marketing, but affiliate marketing. They're close cousins, and I was doing really well with that. Still am, and minding my own business. About the end of 2022, a good friend approached me about getting involved with network marketing again. And the company was LiveGood. And I never heard of them, but it was had to do with health and nutrition. It was network marketing. And I immediately said no. I want nothing to do with network marketing again. I want nothing to do with physical products. And the reason was because uh, network marketing, they blow up the prices. You buy a tube of toothpaste for $20 when you could get it at Walmart for $2. And it was big hurdles for people to really make money with it. I didn't want nothing to do with it. No physical products or network marketing. I said no. I didn't even look at the opportunity. And then in January, another close friend convinced me to take a look again, and he kind of explained the model more. That it's not really physical products. Physical products are involved, but we don't promote that. That's what we were about. And the pay plan was just awesome. So I took a serious look and decided, yes, this is a good program because there's no auto ship, there's no mandatory purchase, there's no blown up expensive products. Anybody can get involved. I've always been a person that wanted to help people that struggle in my whole life. And so I saw LiveGood as a way to help people who are struggling, people who don't have a whole lot of money, can get involved in this business and make some good money. And so that's what brought me to LiveGood. That was in January of 2023, this year. And I don't look back because I've helped lots of people through this company to make money who've never made money before online. Now are making money online. So that's what brought me there is just trusting people that I knew, um, that I still know, to get involved with this business. I mean, my friends Dennis and Pat that I met in the 70s with Amway, we're still friends today. You know how many years that's been? And we're still very close friends today. And so network marketing builds relationships, builds friendships because people grow through it. So that's what led me to it. Your journey, your story may be different, but I will tell you, I love LiveGood. That's why I came back into it because of what it offers. So if you're not involved in network marketing yet or MLM, check the link below and take the free tour and find out exactly what LiveGood is all about. So thank you, my friends. I appreciate you checking out today what I'm talking about, how I got started with MLM, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Oh, and if you like what I did today, click the like button. Click the like button. And comment. I appreciate the comments. So y'all take care, and we'll see you next time.